When you think about the transition, when you think about the change, it could seem overwhelming, it could seem daunting. People think about it and then it's too much.
This guy's family was farming hogs on a contract for 30 years, but now they switched to mushrooms. The organization that helped them take the leap is called the Transfarmation Project. It's focused on helping animal, mainly contract farmers, transition to plant-based agriculture.
We wouldn't be here, we wouldn't be doing this right now without transformation. Just having that team, having the consultants that we've needed to learn about mushrooms, it's been really nice to have people to communicate with and work with, when we have limited expertise, limited knowledge, and limited budget.
The reason for this big leap is that after 30 years, the family simply wanted to escape the pig farming industry and move into something more sustainable. Here is how it goes so far.
The day-to-day life has definitely changed from pigs to mushrooms in many ways. There's a lot more freedom, I'll say that. There's more decisions that we can make, which can be a bit intimidating and a bit overwhelming at times, but also it just feels great because with contract farming, we're just stuck in this process where we didn't have control over how we wanted to do things or what we wanted to do. So with this, there's, okay, what variety of mushrooms are we gonna grow? Okay, what are the value-added products that we're gonna make from them? Why do we want to do that? What's our motivating factors? It's just exciting to really think about these things and delve into it. We can make these decisions.
Now, here is another story from the Transformation Project. This time it's a Cambodian refugee farmer that raised 540,000 chickens per year for 19 years, and all of a sudden his contract got terminated.
I used to think chicken is a good business for me, but it turned out to be really stressful. You work for them, they want you to do everything that they want to do, but the main thing is their profit, it's not you. I don't really think about getting out, but they put more pressure on our family. They want us to tear all the house down and build brand new, and they give us a new contract. We don't have that kind of money to build brand new. Transformation be able to help me transform from what I used to do into growing vegetable, growing mushroom instead of animal. This is something that I want to do.
This all raises many questions, but the most pertinent one is, how did this market situation emerge? And if all the animal contract farmers transition to growing mushrooms, where do we get our meat from? Well, the answer is quite simple. In the US, there is a few companies with a large share of the meat market. In other words, an oligopoly. And I don't have to describe the implications and dangers of such a system, since the two farmers already did it for me. That's why buying local is so important. Now, on the other hand, since around 3/4 of the global meat is factory farmed, we cannot afford to lose all this production. That means we should support our independent local farmers so that it makes sense to be in this business, so that we all suddenly don't wind up eating mushrooms instead of beef steaks and chicken breasts, which isn't a future that I would like to be a part of. And it would be very sad if this future came about because of farmers quitting their livelihoods due to demonic contracts. Anyways, the Transformation Project helped only a handful of farmers so far, but overall I find them to be doing a very good job in helping and inspiring the farmers in the transition. I still like meat over mushrooms though. Thanks for watching.